In a previous video, I created this My First Dunning template and I told you I would address this attached statement section. If you want to attach a customer statement to the Dunning letters that use this template, you will check the attached statement box. When that box is checked, you can see a few options have become available. Only open transactions on the statement. You check this box to show only open transactions on the statement. Custom statement form. You select the statement form that you want to use for generating the statement. If you leave this field blank, the statements will be generated using the system preferred statement form and the layout specified on the custom form. I will do a video in the future on custom forms, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. Statement start date. So here you would enter the number of days relative to the day of Dunning evaluation when the coverage of the statement will start. For example, if I enter 3, that means it will start from 3 days after the Dunning evaluation day and until the statement date. All customer transactions within this period will be included in the statement. Entering negative numbers is also an option. For example, I could enter minus 60. So it would start from 60 days before the Dunning evaluation day until the statement date. All customer transactions within this period will be included in the statement. So if you leave this field blank, all transactions in the customer's history will appear on the statement. Here I leave it blank. The statement date, so the one just above here that we skipped, you enter the number of days relative to the day of Dunning evaluation, marking the last day when customer transactions will be included in the statement. The date on that day will be the statement date indicated on the statement to be evaluated to the Dunning letter. So for example, you enter 3. All customer transactions from the statement start date until 3 days after the Dunning evaluation day will be included in the statement. If you enter minus 3, all customer transactions from the statement start date until 3 days before the Dunning evaluation day will be included in the statement. As you've seen, the default value is 0, which is the day of Dunning evaluation. If you leave the value as 0, all customer transactions from the statement start date up to the Dunning evaluation day will be included in the statement. The Dunning evaluation day will be defined when you set up your Dunning schedule. We will surely address it in a future video. Give a thumbs up to this one and see you soon. Bye bye.